Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
I knew they would turn it!
when they did the special line extending from near Atlantic to near Hubbard, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Greenville, Mercer, Stoneborough, West Middlesex, Sandy Lake, Clark, Wheatland, Fredonia, Jackson Center, New Lebanon, and Shickleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mercer, Pennsylvania,